Hello and welcome to my channel. Today our topic is 44 ways to make money at home in 2022. Did you know that 3.9 million US employees work remotely? It's true, and for many making money from home in their dream jobs. Why not accomplish your money goal by staying home and working when you want to? Here are 44 ways to make money at home and on your own schedule. If you have never worked from home, this could be a whole new money making journey for you. You could even fall in love with your work from home routine. Take it full time and or only option for online side hustles. Before starting this journey, jump through each remote opportunity to learn how to make money from home in whatever way best suits for you. Number 1. Complete online survey. Number 2. Sell your favorite stock images. Number 3. Become a virtual assistant. Number 4. Earn money off your review. Number 5. Sell household items on eBay or Amazon. Number 6. Rent your gadgets by the hour. Number 7. Enter data online. Number 8. Sell your unused clothes online. Number 9. Create and sell printables. Number 10. Become a product tester. Number 11. Bake or meal preparation for others. Number 12. Transcribe by the hour. Number 13. Start a garden and sell your produce. Number 14. Rent out your clothes. Number 15. Start a kids YouTube toy channel. Number 16. Play online games. Number 17. Make money off Skillshare. Number 18. Earn cashback from everything you buy. Number 19. Start investing if you have not already. Number 20. Sell your family craft online. Number 21. Add your drawings to t-shirt and sell online. Number 22. Teach online music lessons. Number 23. Craft your own stories to sell. Number 24. Make and sell candy bouquets. Number 25. Test out affiliate marketing. Number 27. Proofread for some cash. Number 27. Try your hand at tutoring. Number 28. Pet sit during your free time. Number 29. Start a blog and earn money off ads. Number 30. Start a podcast. Number 31. Get an online internship. Number 32. Become a social media mogul. 33. Plan trips for those that travel frequently. Number 34. Be a customer service representative. Number 35. Buy and sell website domains. Number 36. Freelance your skills. Number 37. Research for others on TaskRabbit. Number 38. Start an online community that pays. Number 39. Monetize your car with ride sharing. Number 40. Rent out your unused living spaces. Number 41. Try out your hand at entrepreneurship. Number 42. Rent your extra diverse driveway space. Number 43. Refurbish furnitures. And last is number 44 is help with resume writing. These are the 44 points to earn money from home in 2022. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much.